right, there you go. Miss Charisse Pampenco. Hello, Charisse. I know you were in a rush to come over. Galing kang interview? Galing kang interview. How was it naman? Okay naman. Okay, you know what? I'm sure everyone is asking their heads, where did you get that voice? Ang galing! Saan yung galing? Kay Mommy. Mother's Day. Coming up. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. So really, I mean, how did you start? How did you discover that she had a voice? Did you discover? Did your mom discover?
Actually, kasi po, 4 years old po ko nun.
4 years.
So, mahihayin po talaga akong kumanta. One time, kumanta po ako kasi wala po sila sa bahay. So, parang, kumanta po ako. And yung first song na natulog ko po, My Heart Will Go On sa Dion. So, pagdating ko niya yung bahay, nakita niya na kumakanta. So, tinuruan niya po.
And then, idea. Let's make her an international sensation. Ang galing. Anong training mo? Do you have a training? Do you go to, I mean, you know, like, do you vocalize? Like, you know, I mean, we have some stars, they go to, like, sa CC Regine, kumakanta sa beach, she submerges her lungs. Ikaw, what do you do?
Kasi po, nga po, nag-start ako, tinuruan niya po ako ng mga techniques. Then,
vocal teacher si Mom?
Yes.
Opo, Markel, you're a vocal teacher. Music?
I mean, para sa akin lang po.
Really? So, just like that, you found you also had talent in coaching, how to give her vocal lessons? You had no vocal lessons, ikaw lang yung... Wow, imagine that. And this has been going on since she was 4 years old. And now you're like all over the pages, you're in YouTube, you're now...
Maliit pa rin ako.
Hindi masyado from 4 years old. Yung difference, not so much. How is it to be in Oprah? You're in Oprah, you're in Ellen, I saw you in other late night shows. How was it? I mean, you have to be huge, you have to be big to be in these late night shows.
Siguro po talagang salamat talaga sa internet, sa YouTube, kasi syempre, iba na yung generation ngayon eh. Hindi ko akalain na, kasi hindi ko talaga yung alam yung music na yan. Then, lahat ng mga na-discover sa akin, like Oprah and Oprah, sabi nila, na-discover na nila sa YouTube.
Sa YouTube.
Ngayon, handpicked ako sa YouTube.
Handpicked by Miss Celine as well. You've been going around with her. I know you were in New York. You were in Las Vegas, in one of those states. You performed with her.
Yung nag-perform po with her sa Madison Square Garden.
Madison Square.
New York. And yung sa Las Vegas po, I was with David Foster.
David Foster, yes. Wow. David Foster and Celine, these are big-time people in the music industry. And I'm sure the people also in the press know about that. Okay, so now you're singing Mellowares. How is it to be endorsing Mellowares? By the way, what made you choose Mellowares also as your choice of tablewares?
Kasi po, masasabi ko na yung Mellowares po, naging part na po yung life ko, naging part na yung journey ko, wala na bata pa hanggang sa ngayon na dumating ako sa puntong to. So let's get it.
Okay, so she's one of those endorsers who believes in products that she uses. So she's been using Mellowares way before she started endorsing. Wow, that's nice to know. That's nice to know. I saw you also, you're featured in the magazine. You have this condo. I like it. It's so cute.
The LC.
Could you talk about it? Could you talk about it as well? Where's your condo located?
Sa Lions Park Residence po, sa Paranaque City, Silicon Valley po. And super po ako nagpapasalamat dito si Tito David kasi po talaga, yun po yung
dream house. Imagine that. Wow. Well, let's give her a big hand. Let's give the people from Mellowares and her TBC also a big hand. Condo living. You weren't here earlier, but you can check it out later, Charisse. May theme tayo dyan, table, for condo living. Exactly for condo living. So it's really cute. I'm sure you'll want to check it out. Of course, using Mellowares products as well. Okay, right about now, I'm sure all of you have heard of Charissa's launching album. Everyone's been talking about it. And this afternoon, you will sing for us your Carrier single. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, another big hand for Miss Charisse Pampenco.